Question number 4. In 1891, design artist William Morris co-founded the Kelmscott Press, which printed editions of books using pre-industrial methods. Historians argue that Morris's repudiation of industrialization is blank. The Kelmscott editions' use of handmade materials and intricate ornamentation reminiscent of medieval manuscripts. These meticulously handcrafted elements exemplify the artistry involved. So, which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A. insensible to, B. manifest in, C. scrutinized by, or D. complicated by? First, we see that the text states that the Kelmscott Press, which was co-founded by William Morris, produced its books using pre-industrial methods. William Morris co-founded Kelmscott Press, and they are using pre-industrial methods to print editions of books. And the text notes the similarity between those methods, which include use of handmade materials. So historians argue that Morris's repudiation of industrialization is blank because they use handmade materials and intricate ornamentation and methods used in creation of medieval manuscripts. So this context suggests that Morris's repudiation of industrialization is apparent from. So which should we choose? So if you said B, well done, that is the right answer. This is the best answer because it most logically completes the text discussion of Kelmscott Press's books. In this context, manifest in, what does that mean? It means evident or apparent from. The text states that Kelmscott Press, which was co-founded by William Morris, produced its books using pre-industrial methods. The text notes the similarity between those methods, which include the use of handmade materials and intricate ornamentation, and methods used in the creation of medieval manuscripts. So in medieval manuscripts, the same method was used, handmade material, intricate ornamentation and all that. The context suggests that Morris's repudiation of industrialization is apparent from or manifest in the methods and materials his company employed. A is incorrect because there is nothing in the text to suggest that Morris's repudiation or industrialization is insensible to or unaware. Insensible would mean unaware or lacking perception of the use of handmade materials and intricate ornamentation in the production of Kelmscott editions. Instead, the text suggests that the methods and materials used to produce the Kelmscott editions are evidence of Morris's repudiation and industrialization. And C is incorrect because it would not make sense to say that Morris's repudiation of industrialization was scrutinized by. Scrutinized means examined closely. Examined closely by the Kelmscott editions' use of handmade materials and intricate ornamentation. Although creating the Kelmscott editions may have involved examining the books closely, the text does not mention this aspect of Morris's work, and in any case, the action of using certain materials to create those editions cannot scrutinize Morris's attitude towards industrialization. And D is incorrect because the text gives no indication that Morris's repudiation or industrialization is complicated by or made more complex or difficult by Kelmscott Press's use of pre-industrial methods and handcrafted elements to produce books. Instead, the text presents those methods as exemplifying Morris's repudiation of industrialization. So, best is evident or apparent, that is manifest in. So,